So one of the best parts of the exercise for me is just the opportunity to fly in this environment. It's a great environment, it's a great sandbox for us to go out and practice these desert techniques. So the training is conducted out of the US Naval Air Facility El Centro. The purpose of us being out here is for the aircrew to get what's known as an environmental qualification. So what this allows the aircrew to do is conduct flying in desert environments across the world. It allows an opportunity for the engineers to see what it's like and understand the frustrations of working in a desert environment and how that affects their output. So one of our key skills in the Chinook force is what's known as underslung loads. What that is picking up a net or other object and attaching it to one of the 3 hooks that are on the base of the Chinook. Now this is a relatively specialist skill and has a bunch of nuances and factors that if you've not trained for and considered, particularly in the desert environment where it's hot, heavier, your engines don't necessarily work as well, can catch you out. So a large proportion of our training, especially for 27 Squadron, is focused on these underslung loads. We work with JHSS, the Joint Helicopter Support Squadron, who go out there on the ground and they prep the loads and they're in the area and they prep our landing sites. They simulate the troops that we'd have in the front line who would be hooking the loads up to the aircraft.